I've been part of a great workshop today where I saw a demo on how you do your storytelling with Gamma. I'm currently experimenting with a particular feature. So here I have my slide deck where I tell a story about how I used Gamma with some examples. And here, for instance, I have a picture of a ship. Here it is. What I would like to do, what I would like to try, I would like to try to animate that picture to make it a bit more exciting. So let's try it together. Let's learn together. So I click here on animate. I'll make my own screen slightly smaller so you can see better what's happening on the main screen. The result is just beautiful. Imagine how you can elevate your story with just one simple animation. So I've made that particular visual, the picture, to illustrate an idea, a concept. You can do the same. Let's try something else. Here I have a slide that depicts one of my pedagogical ideas, and I want to turn it into smart diagrams. I know that in Gamma you could have smart diagrams. If you click on your right, here you have them. But I don't want to choose myself. I want AI to help me. So I'll click here and I ask it to visualize the text. Right. So we have this nice layout of circles that sort of depicts the idea. You can of course choose something that you would like, but I'm happy with this one. I can change some colors to make it more interesting. All right. What I would like to do now, I would like to delete this part of my text. And I want to make it a bit larger. I want to export this particular slide as a PNG. So I saved that slide as a PNG. I'm going to insert it here on another slide. And I'm going to ask AI to animate this slide, and we will see what it will do. Isn't that beautiful? Of course, I feel that sometimes you need to try different things, but I believe that that is just magical. It makes your story so much stronger and intentional. So try it.